Hey, so today I want to show you how to do a contrast heel on a short row heel for high instep. So what I've got already set up here, so I've done my increases for the heel. I'm in the middle of a dark stripe. So each dark stripe has 4 rows, and I've got 2 done here, one below the needles and the one that's on the needles. And what we're going to start with, so it's going to look like this. This is the finished short row heel with the instep increases, and then there will be instep decreases. But yeah, so I'm going to split this stripe to have 2 rows before the heel and 2 rows after the heel, so that it's continuous across the instep. So what I've got going here, a little bit tangly, sorry. Okay, so we're going to look at the wrong side first. So this is the wrong side of the sock, the inside of the sock. And we're going to first slip all the side stitches before the increase. So there's 7 of them. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you'll see that we're right there. We've got the 7 from this little flappy bit over here, and then all the increased stitches in between. So the heel is just going to happen in between those sets of stitches. So I'm going to just start this. You could anchor it if you need to. I usually anchor it after the fact so that it doesn't get lost, but yeah, so I've got these stitches between the increases. So I'm purling them because we're on the inside of the sock. All right, I'm back. I purled to the end, and then we flip the work to the right side, and we'll actually be ready to start the instructions for the heel now. So this first stitch I slipped just to keep it a little clean, and I'm here at the end of this first row, ready to work my first short row stitch section. Just stick that somewhere else so it's not being so loud. Okay, so I'm here at the last stitch, and I'm going to work my shadow wrap. So you'll see that the mother stitch, the one down here, is the darker contrast color, and the daughter stitch is the same color as the other daughter that we're making. So we've got here our shadow wrapped stitch, and they're both in the contrast color, which is exactly what we want, and that's why we did this extra row. So when I turn it, then I'll just keep working, make sure I got the right end, keep working to the other side to work the shadow wrap over there. So let me show you what it looks like when it's done. So you can see here that we've got a nice clean line here and clean here. So none of these stitches in this triplet here at the end of the short row section are in the dark contrast color. So that's the point of doing that extra row. So when I continue on, the whole heel will be in the contrast color without any bleed through. So that's beautiful. Thanks.